Hello everyone and welcome back for another video day. Today I'm back from my holiday since 2 days, so back in Belgium. I went on a 5,000 kilometer road trip to Poland. I enjoyed it very much. The nature out there is very nice and also the history of Poland is very interesting. So I can definitely recommend this trip to you. So if you have the chance, go to Poland. You will not regret it. But of course, the car is extremely dirty from that 5,000 kilometer road trip. And today we are addressing one of the wheels because I'm gonna use the advantage of trying a few products on the car. Because the car is this dirty, it had some mountain driving, autobahn driving, didn't clean it on holiday. So it will make a very interesting video. So today I'm testing Bilberry wheel cleaner from VALET Pro, but I will test some other products on the car as well because it is a good chance to do. So today we are trying this and another product, but that video is coming soon, so subscribe and keep your eyes peeled on that. I will clean the car as well. So a lot of videos are coming. I hope so, because in the past I'm a bit slacking. So yeah, first I will show you a clip from my Poland trip. So before we are spraying this on the wheels, I will show the wheel. This product is also dilutable, so it's dilutable 1 to 3 for heavy soiled wheels and lightly soiled is 1 to 10. So I think we are gonna dilute it about 1 to 5 to see how it does. So I'm gonna dilute it. I'm gonna fill my bucket of water and we will see the product, but now I will show you the wheel of the car. It looks very sunny, but it's not that warm today. On camera it looks pretty clean, but it is not, as you can see. So I'll do it also here. Okay, so I will fill my bucket of water. I will dilute the product 1 to 5 or 4. I will make sure you know it in a second. Okay, so my bucket over here is ready to go. So I have all my equipment in there. It's just filled with normal water. So I diluted the Bilberry in this 1 liter bottle, 1 to 4. It has this nice cherry red color. I like this. Looks beautiful, but it doesn't really matter actually. It also smells very neutral, so it doesn't have a very annoying smell, so that's also very nice. Bilberry wheel cleaner from VALET Pro is a very cheap product. Doesn't cost that much and you can dilute it, so win on that because it's a very cheap product, but of course it has to work. So we will see that now in a minute. So I'm just gonna spray it on, let it soak in for a few minutes. I'm gonna spray it on and we'll see how clean the wheels are. Let's do this. So I'm gonna soak the wheel in. I'm gonna shake it a bit. Also gonna spray a bit on the tires and in the wheel wells, of course. That will be it. So it's now on there for about 5 minutes. So we're gonna rinse the wheel off with the high pressure washer, and we're gonna see how much of the brake dust it removed and made loose. So we're gonna put you guys over here. Okay, so now the wheel is fully sprayed off. There is still some wet coat on the wheels on some places, like here, but you can see it made a pretty big difference in the inner wheel well. You can still see some brake dust left, so we'll need to agitate it. But also when I rub my finger over the wheel, here it is clean, but here it is still pretty filthy. But it did remove a lot actually, because it was a lot of brake dust. You can also see the wheel weights are also pretty clean, and it was also without agitating. So I'm very pleased with it, because normally my wheels aren't this dirty. So now we're gonna agitate them and make them like new again. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this product. I'm gonna spray the wheels again. This time I'm going to agitate them just with some water. So now they are cleaned with agitating, and we have ended with perfectly clean wheels. Also, I had some Tire Express on there 3 weeks ago, and it's still pretty perfect on there. The wheels are clean, so I'm happy with the result. I'm happy with the product. So let's go inside and I will give you a little overview of the product, and that will conclude this video. So we're back inside and the wheel is cleaned. Actually, I'm very surprised with this product. I think this is one of the best wheel cleaners I used, especially for this price. It's a non-acid product. It removes brake dust, of course, like we've seen. And remember, this was 5,000 kilometers of brake dust on there for about worth of 3 weeks. So to give you guys an idea, it doesn't stink, it's a dilutable product, and it's suitable for painted and lacquered wheels. And even I think when you use it for your maintenance washes, it will be even more effective. You can dilute it a bit more. You have a very good and reliable product. So this is one I can recommend to you guys. So pick it up, test it for yourself, and enjoy it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and see you in the next one. Ciao!